Don't get me wrong, everybody in North Carolina loves a good snow day every once in a while, but back to back weekends is too much. We're not ready for all that out here. The first weekend, it was cool. Oh my god, it's snowing. But then I found myself driving to work at 15 miles an hour for a second week in a row. I've had enough. I've had just about enough. Like it's not even the Christmas season anymore. It's too late for a white Christmas. I did enjoy getting to use my snow tools for the first time in a while. I don't remember the last time I used that snow broom thing, but I'd be okay if I didn't have to use it again for the rest of 2026. And was I being a little dramatic, shoveling my driveway and driving as slow as I was? Maybe, but I'm not taking any chances. I was gonna get to work safe, and I was gonna get home safe. Had my caution lights on and everything.